Looking at the circumstances and the situation surrounding the political nature, and looking at the date of the first election, presidential election, we have less than 80 days today. As Nigerians, did we really, let us look into our conscience, do we really believe that we are ready for the election? If we say yes, then there's nobody in Nigeria. We are all useless people. We don't know what we want. We don't know where we are heading to. It might be stupid to you to air this opinion, but I tell you, if there are any sensibility left at heart in Nigerians, then there's not supposed to be election next year because we are not prepared. Are we electing Mr. President by January, February next year? On what ground? Is it that look at INEC is complaining of PVC. INEC offices have been burned, PVCs have been burned. Even my own PVC that I have been using to vote, up till now, I went to the bank for accreditation of using it as my available ID. It's not in the system. So tell me the preparation we are now for presidential election. How many people is ready? How many people have their PVC? And how do you think Hausa man, a Fulani man sitting as a INEC chairman or president will give you election if you win another person? And that means what happened in Goodluck Jonathan will repeat itself. They will give it to whomsoever they want to give it to and rig the election. So we are not prepared for election. I, Dr. Charles Chukwuemeka Amanze, put it forward to you that if Nigeria say they are ready for election come 2023, then they don't have sense. There's nobody in Nigeria. Our education is a waste. Thank you very much. That is a message. I wish you well.